Yo, hello and welcome to bombomcubing. Today I'm going to show you 2 non-essential information about Rubik's Cube. This is just a joke, okay? Don't take it so serious, so enjoy. Numero uno, corner twist. You just playing a cube and realized that you had a corner twist. And you say, oh my god, I broke my Rubik's Cube. I have to buy a new one. Actually, you don't have to buy a new one. Just do this algorithm. R, U, R prime, F prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime. Then twist this corner. And just solve it normally. Thank you, bombomcubing! Number 2, pops. Just like before, you're just playing a cube and the pieces of your cube is popped out. No, don't worry. I'm here to help you. Yes, you. Just disassemble your whole cube. And assemble it again. And your problem is solved. Once again, thank you, bombomcubing. I'll tell you one more time that this video is only a joke, so don't take it so seriously. Hope you enjoy this concise and non-essential information. Like this video, comment down below and give me idea for the next content. Now subscribe to this YouTube channel. It will mean so much for me. And that's all for today's video. Stay tuned for upcoming content from my YouTube channel. See ya! I'm regret doing this. I will never do this again.